Here's how to delete your TikTok account. Now I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'm going to show you the exact process to be able to delete your account and also the specific buttons you need to press so that you don't accidentally hit the wrong thing. So on here, you can see on both phones, at the bottom right is profile. So just tap on profile at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the top right. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy midway down. And then scroll down from here. Under the Account section, tap on Account. Next, at the bottom, you'll see Deactivate or Delete Account. And then in this case, choose Delete Account Permanently on your iPhone or Android. You can just skip this. You don't necessarily need to provide why you're leaving, and it will ask you if you want to download your data. You can download it or just hit by continuing, you accept, and hit continue. Now on here, it'll say it will deactivate your account for 30 days, and then after those 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. If you always wanted to recover it within those 30 days, just log back into your account. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that one too. And thanks for watching.